Dog farming means the production and care of different breeds of dogs through dog breeding or breeding. Dog farming has become a popular and profitable business venture in many countries, especially where people are interested in pets. Dog farming can become a profitable business if care is taken with breed and health management. Dear viewers, today we will learn how to breed dogs. Learn about dog food, housing, and care. The first place must be selected for dog farming. Dogs should have enough space for free movement and exercise. Especially, if they are large breed dogs, they need more space. Keeping the place clean and hygienic is very important. It should have a good drainage system so that water does not accumulate. The area should be securely fenced to prevent dogs from escaping. There are many types of dogs and different breeds have different needs, immunity, and food requirements. Popular breeds like Labrador, Golden Retriever, German Shepherd, Pomeranian, etc. are in high demand. To ensure the health and growth of the dog, it is necessary to maintain a nutritious diet and adequate water supply. The dog's diet should contain sufficient protein, sugars, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Dogs can also be fed cooked food such as chicken, eggs, vegetables, and rice at times. However, it is not right to feed raw fish, chocolate, onion, garlic, etc. in dog food, because they can be poisonous. The amount of food should be determined depending on the age, size, breed, and daily physical activity of the dog. Puppies can be fed 3 to 4 times a day, and adult dogs 2 times a day. Clean and fresh water should always be available for dogs. Dogs drink extra water, especially in hot weather. Water bowls should be cleaned regularly and the water changed several times a day to keep it fresh. Usually, female dogs have their first hit at 6 to 12 months of age. But it is better to start breeding at the age of 18 months or from the second/third hit. Male dogs are fully ready for breeding usually from the age of 1 to 1.5 years. Female dogs come into the menstrual cycle twice a year. Each menstrual cycle usually lasts 2 to 3 weeks. 10 to 14 days of the menstrual cycle is considered to be the ideal time for fertilization. Both dogs should be healthy for breeding and should not have any congenital diseases or health problems. Which breed or size of dog is best to mate with, as it maintains the right characteristics and temperament. Choosing a mate of a different breed can cause health and conformation problems. Dogs need to get to know each other before breeding. This creates a friendly relationship between them and facilitates the breeding process. It is very important to provide nutritious food and rest for pregnant dogs. A female dog should be used for breeding every 1 to 2 years so that her physical health is maintained. With proper breeding, dogs and puppies are healthy and a good breeding process can be maintained. Breeding dogs can be a profitable business if care is taken in breed and health management.